All right. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the normal routine UK live session. It is 2:30 a.m. Eastern now, and we have resumed posting short videos from today. I'll be doing it at least once a day. Uh, this is the new schedule. If you are joining in live for the first time or you are viewing this video, three live sessions, Nifty, UK live and New York live at these times, 10 p.m. Eastern, 2:30 a.m. and 8 a.m. and short video updates. All right, so let's get started off. If you have been missing out on the short videos, it has been posted on the Telegram channels. Kindly take some time and view them, and also send your reviews at japee@yahoo.com if any, so that we can improve if required. Alright, hourly chart setups for Euro. We'll be taking it a bit quicker on these sessions. This is the boundary which we believe is being worked upon with an expanded flat recovery made last week, and the Fibonacci ratios are around the 61.8% mark as well. Okay, if this wave count holds to be true, then prices in Euro should remain below 1940.50, broadly below 1950.60, and bears should again be able to take control lower towards 1.16 and 1.1550 at least. All right, again it's trading at a resistance, so if you're just joining at the trade point of view, you can go short at this price now for a short-term intraday trading. You can have your stop losses above, I would suggest 1950, that is about 150 points from here, and the target you can keep around the 1600 levels, right? Once again, you can sell around this 1800 mark, stop above 1950 and target 1600 at least. Moving ahead, that is Euro. Let's touch upon pound now. It is taking time, pound, but that's what it is. That's how it builds up. It moves sideways for a fair amount of time and then breaks lower. Now if we talk about the conditions here, good support is coming at around the 33 levels. Okay, a push below 33 now in a significant way will accelerate the drop towards 3000 levels. Resistance stays at 3460 and 3550 actually, not 20, and the boundary which is being worked upon is currently retraced by about 70%. You should be looking lower for prices from here. Swing traders, we are already short from 3450-60 levels up there, and for intraday kind of trading, you can look to go short around this level, around the current price action. Maximum push, worst come scenario, could be a flat unfolding which can take prices all the way towards 3450 again. That is not a certainty, but it is a probability. I repeat, it is a probability. So kindly have your stops above 34, 60, 70 to remain on the safe side, just in case of a flat pullback is in store. but otherwise selling on rallies is still good for pound. All right, look lower. A break below 3300 levels will certainly accelerate very fast towards the 32 and straight down towards 3000 levels. This is what we are expecting. In fact, more the sideways action. I mean, if you look at the consolidation structure over here, it's forming sort of a triangle structure. I would say that is wave 1, and then A, B, C, D, E. So I'm going to connect A and C. Still at this point in time, the wave counts could be of a potential contracting triangle as well. Alright, because it's all three waves movement. If you look at from this point onwards, three waves A and three waves B, a slight correction on the wave counts, three waves C, three waves D, and again three waves E. So maybe it can push towards 34.25 one last time, but then watch out for a quick snap reversal lower. A break below 3300 certainly is going to get bears powerfully back into control again. Right, the targets should be around 3200 and 3000 levels from there. Please remember, it is a consolidating triangle. If it is, then the breakout is also going to be equally powerful on the south side. That's what is expected. Resistance lies clearly around the 3550 and 3650 mark. Alright, let's move on to the dollar index now. I mean, why can't this happen? I mean, there could be a potential triangle structure being constructed here as well. I'm going to connect the consolidating points maybe here and A, B, C, D, and E. So somewhere up ahead of 93.45, quite possible for intraday longs position to be built again around these levels. Stop loss remains below. Okay, I need to get this out. Okay, stop loss remains intraday level below 93.30, and for swing traders it goes above 90 to 50 levels. Right, so if you're wanting to play intraday, you can go long just around the current price action or just about 93.50 60 levels. You can choose to place your stop loss around 93.30 and then target higher. The overall structure still remains very constructive for the bulls. We've done a wave count in the short video uploaded just a few minutes back. You can have a look at that, and that is targeting around 95 and 98 for the upcoming sessions and upcoming weeks. Please remember, we are quickly approaching the festive season. It is 19th of December now. Volatility is bound to reduce over the coming days. After the 25th, don't expect anything to happen much on the price action until the new year begins. So maybe we've got 3 more sessions for some kind of price activity, if at all. Right. So be very careful when you're trying to deal intraday. All right. Most of the trades that we have taken right now are they are swing based. Okay, I'll be issuing some intraday trade calls looking good for now in all the 3 instruments that we've discussed: euro, pound, and the dollar index. Let's see how gold is placing itself. Okay, I think it is finally finding and taking resistance around the 64.65 mark. it is good to see that gold has not entered the territory of wave 1 around the 1270 mark, 1270.75. And as far as the retracement goes, gold has, I think it's taken 50%. Yes, it has. Still, I would say the yellow metal remains in control, or should remain in control in bears going forward. One small point that I want to highlight is that it has taken, it's just around the past support turn resistance over a period of time. So that is going to be a good level for the yellow metal to test itself and begin low from here. Don't get carried away on the long side, brothers. This is just a corrective rally which is taking place as a form of the fourth wave. All right, look lower. I think 1230 is absolutely on cards. I think 1200 levels, don't get surprised if you see them as well. All right, and the silver absolutely in line with what we are expecting. No change at all. Quick update here: 1, 2, 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Even if you take the equivalent of waves 1 and waves 5, silver is headed at least below 1550, if not the 1500 mark. Alright, so that is a quick wrap up of what we discussed earlier round. Euro, pound is looking very good. I think it's carving out a neat little triangle, so watch out for a push towards 34.25 if at all, if it does, and then a quick sharp reversal after that. Alright, so euro, pound, gold and silver on the short side, and dollar index is the only lone wolf that we are betting long on. Alright, so once again, let's bring this session to a pause. If you're watching me live or the video recordings, I'll be back again after a few hours at around 8 AM Eastern during the New York live to touch base again with the chart setups. And do send in your feedbacks, brothers and sisters, at Japee@yahoo.com. And if you're an active trader, do consider joining our Telegram channel at t.me/Japee. Alright, so till the next session, good luck to your trades. Have patience, don't play around left and right. We have taken directional trades. You'll have to exercise some patience over there. Alright. Not being in the trade all the time is also a kind of analysis. Alright, so until next time, please take care and God bless, brothers. Goodbye.